Good day everyone. Today I want to talk about the one of the biggest challenge our world is facing, climate change. It's something we hear about a lot, but sometimes it feels too big or too far away to fully understand. The truth is climate change is isn't just a problem for future, it's happening right now and it's affect of all of us. Challenge is the long-term shift in temperature and weather pattern on Earth. While this while the shift can be happen naturally, the speed of today's change is mostly caused of by human activities. When when we burn coal, oil, and gas, we release large amount of the greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, making the planet warming kind of like putting a thick blanket around the earth. We can already see effects: stronger typhoons, intense heat waves, in rising sea levels, and changed rainfall pattern. This impact make life harder for communities around the world, especially those who have fewer resources to adapt. Here in region, we have how extreme weather can damage homes, disrupt school and work, and threaten our safety. But even though climate change is serious, there is also hope. Young people all around the world are speaking up, taking action, and inspiring adults to make better choice. And every small effort adds up. We can help by conserving energy, reducing waste, planting trees, and supporting clean energy, and encourage others to care for environment. Most importantly, we can stay informed and use our voices to push for change, whether it's at school, at home, or in our communities. Climate change is a big problem, but we are not powerless. If we if if we work together, stay aware, and make choices that protect our planet, we can create a safe, greener future. Thank you.